What's up people, it's me. I am back with another video which no one asks for.
Yes.
But let's just aside that fact and get into our video where we are gonna talk about some anime. I mean, as you might guess from the title, it's about 2021 ending season anime, or moreover which I am going to watch, as well as another anime similar to Redo of a Healer.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Well, the anime name is The Old Finest Assassin Get Reincarnated in Another Old as an Aristocrat. I mean, I might have messed up some pronunciation, but it is this anime, which might not be the exact carbon copy of Redo of a Healer, but it is made by the same author.
Bye bye. Hickey.
But don't get disappointed there, buddy. I got another perfect anime, the perfect match for Redo of a Healer, which is none other than Old Ind's Harem, where you got 5 guys for 5 billion women. So it is full of culture. I mean, culture everywhere. But its story is also nice. So yeah, if you enjoy Redo of a Healer and want to watch similar anime to it, then the Old Ind's Harem is perfect for you. Then that's it for this clickbaity title, and let's get into our actual video. That is some anime of fall 2021, except the culture ones. Okay, first one, Mushoku Tensei, which was an absolute banger in season 1, so I have high hopes for its season 2, and I am definitely going to check it out. Other than that, let's get into some new anime of fall 2021, which I might watch or try to watch because they seems interesting to me. So without any further ado, let's get into our list. First one, Platinum End, which is made by the author of Death Note and Bakuman, so I am absolutely hyped for it. Then in our second one, we got the Fearway Paladin, where we got a hero raised by undead. I mean, it's mostly like Isekai concept, but the catch is he is not transported to that world. He was born there, so it fall into fantasy, and we can actually avoid Isekai here with Isekai content. That's why I am giving it a try. Then in our third one, we got none other than Takt of Destiny. I mean, it's from MAPPA and Madhouse. They are collaborating in this anime, so obviously I am hyped for it. But the actual point is, it is based on a video game and some music, I guess. So as a studio name, MAPPA and Madhouse collaboration, we can give it a try. But to make us watch all of its season, it should be good, right? So I am hoping they can pull it off. Then in our fourth one, we got an anime which I am not even going to name, because in this anime a dude marries a gorilla. I mean, freaking gorilla. And the sad part is, I am not making this up. It's a real fam. You are going to watch this anime. Okay, here comes the fifth one, which is the absolute legend. I mean, we have been waiting for this anime for a long time. It's called Kami Can't Communicate, where we got a waifu who can't communicate. I mean, it's kind of a social skills and social problem situation, but it's really cute, man. And its manga was really popular, so I am kind of a hype for it, and I will give it a try. I mean, just the first episode, then we will see what happens. So yeah, that's it. I mean, there are all these anime which I think when I think about anime of fall 2021, which is not much compared to the previous seasons, but I think we need to accept it, right? I mean, what can I even do, man? Oh yeah, I just forgot the legendary anime from my list, which I am definitely not going to watch, but it's Dead Alive season 4. I mean, literally, who is watching this, man? Dead Alive seasons. There are so many. But yeah, you have it here. So if you want to watch Dead Alive, the legendary anime of all time, more famous than One Piece, Naruto, you can watch it in this season too. Okay then, that is for this video, guys. But it's not in for you. I mean, check this out, man. It's a top 10 anime list with female leads. I mean, total badass waifu as well as cute waifu there, who are the main lead of this anime series. So better check that out. Then that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Love you.